welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a really quick flip through of what is new in my Etsy shop. Where's all my green lovers out there? Y'all, it's got to be quick because my battery on my camera's about to go dead. All right. The removable dangle, crushed sugar. I mean, just look at those colors, and I just love it. Close up. All my nature and vintage lovers, behold. I love it. And look at that dangle. It's so sweet, so pretty. Sugared flower. Here's the shabby flower on front. It's an antique brooch I found in an antique shop the other day. I put some of my own crystals in it because it was missing a few, but now it is not missing any. Life is a journey. Where will it take you? As usual, just too much to see. And if y'all have not ordered one of my cupcake doilies, but you are thinking about it and you're just wondering if it will be worth it, if you will love it, subscription boxes and more on YouTube. Look, how cute is that? On YouTube, you can go check out her channel. She did a review of sorts, an unpacking. Anyway, you get up close and personal with one of my cupcake doilies. And if you're not a member of Ooh La La Vintage on Facebook, go sign up, be a member. And one of my cupcake doilies that Doreen of Ooh La La Vintage treasures, I always leave that part off. She also has one of my cupcake doilies and gives you an up close and personal look of it. This is available in my Etsy shop right now, and I am loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Y'all, look at, let me see what y'all can see. All of the pearl details, little pearls all around, all the flowers, all these. Look at the little bird, the little girl, an embossed gate, my daughter's dog trying to get the cat's food behind me. Got this dangle. Look at that gorgeous bead. Heart with pearls. I am just loving it. It is just so much. This is a pretty huge cupcake doily. Pretty huge. Delicate laces and pearls hanging all out of it. Flowers. Ugh. Love it. Love it. Pretty applique and a sweet little kitty. Collaging. Beads, bows, everything yummy. Look at this, is sweet. You always pick me up. The tiniest little bit of sparkly pink lace coming out of there. And then on the back, that gorgeous flower with that beautiful, beautiful sparkly button, pearly lace. Love it, love it, love it. Available only in Sunshine Originals Etsy shop. Y'all check it out. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye-bye.